Welcome. In front of me is a REDMI 12C, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. Now, to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list of toggles, and it looks like on the first page you'll already see your screen recorder toggle. So once you see it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can, number one, get a glance at how it's set by default, and number two, if something doesn't fit your needs, you can adjust it. Now, under resolution, I would recommend selecting it to the highest resolution possible, which in this case it's 720p. And then below that, video quality, if it's set by default to 6 megabits, that should be good enough for such a resolution. And lastly, frame rate, set it to at least 30 to get a bit of a better quality of your screen recording. Now, once that's set, you can close this, and whenever you want to record your screen, simply press on the button and then select this little red button right here to begin recording. Now, whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded by the device, so if you open up some kind of apps, they will be recorded. And once you're done, tap on the overlay, click on the square, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application, or gallery as it's called right here. And you can see it right at the top, so there's my screen recording. You can tap on it to view it. So there we go. Now, one more thing that I'll add is screen recording won't work in every app. There are certain apps that will block screen recorders, meaning that if you try to record them, all you will get is a black screen. Now, just to name a couple of these types of applications: Netflix, Hulu, I presume, because both of these applications are streaming applications, so these will want to block it. But also apps like bank accounts or bank apps will block screen recording as well. So yeah. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.